Here are some quick tips to help prevent water leaking from the refrigerator and dispenser. Make sure the refrigerator is level on the floor. Double-check the connections of your water lines and ensure that they are well secured and properly fastened. It is normal for a small amount of residual ice to accumulate in the water line, chute, or dispenser and then melt. Air bubbles in the water line may also cause some droplets to occur. Be sure to dispense at least 1 gallon or more each time you change the refrigerator's water filter. Be sure to install the water filter correctly to help prevent leaks. Filling the freezer with too much food can block the freezer's air vents. If the freezer compartment is overfilled and the refrigerator and freezer doors are not closed and sealed properly, condensation can build up and drip onto the floor when the defrost drain gets blocked, forcing the coils to work harder. If the aforementioned suggestions do not help resolve the water leak coming from your refrigerator, or if there is water leakage in the back, please contact Hisense support.